All right, today is day 20. God is the God of second chances. Boy, that's a good message. Jonah 3, verse 1 says, Then the word of the Lord came to Jonah a second time. Three words that should stop us in our tracks. A second time. A second time. Jonah ran from God's call. He got on a boat. He was going in the wrong direction. Here comes the storm. Everybody's about to die. Things, and he was thrown overboard. He was swallowed by that great fish. Can you imagine what that was like? 3 days in a nasty, stenchy fish. Wow. Ugh. So God came to Jonah a second time, gave him the same call, the same assignment, a second chance. That's not a one-time thing that we see in Scripture. Peter denied Jesus 3 times, and it became the foundation of the early church. Paul spent years killing Christians before he became one of the most prolific writers in the New Testament. David committed adultery and murder, but yet he was still called a man after God's own heart. The list goes on and on. Every name on it's a person that needed a second chance and found that God had one waiting. God's not in the business of using perfect people only. He's in the business of using available people, people who say, after everything they've been through, everything they've done, they're still willing to say yes. That is so cool. The second chance is on the table right now. It's been on the table all along. The question is, are we going to take advantage of it? What would we do differently today if we truly believed that God was offering a second chance right now? Have a blessed day. We'll see you tomorrow.